In a world chasing sustainability, a shocking truth hides behind luxury's glittering facade. Brands routinely destroy perfect, unsold goods worth thousands. This baffling corporate vandalism begs the question: what ruthless economic force compels such deliberate waste? The unseen act of luxury inventory destruction refers to the deliberate obliteration of perfectly good, unsold merchandise. This practice typically involves burning high-value items like apparel, accessories, and shoes, or shredding them beyond recognition, rather than selling them at a reduced price. Esteemed names such as Burberry and Louis Vuitton have faced widespread criticism for these admissions or implications. When these secretive practices inevitably surface, they unleash an immediate public shockwave. Consumers and environmental groups react with profound outrage, leveling accusations of egregious wastefulness and hypocrisy. They question the ethical foundations of brands that preach quality while systematically destroying pristine products, highlighting the deep conflict between luxury's perceived value and its disturbing environmental footprint. This widespread disapproval underscores the public's growing demand for accountability and sustainable business practices. At the core of luxury brands' decision to destroy unsold inventory lies the imperative to protect their very essence: mystique. Selling perfectly good items at a discount would immediately devalue the brand's premium image. Once an item is discounted, its perceived worth diminishes, casting a shadow on future collections and full-price sales. Luxury thrives on the psychology of scarcity. It's about exclusivity and being unattainable. An oversupply of goods directly threatens this core principle, making items feel less special and weakening their appeal. By meticulously controlling their market presence, brands prevent their high-end products from appearing in outlet stores, discount retailers, or the secondary market. This ensures the brand's prestige remains undiluted, reinforcing the idea that true luxury is always acquired through official full-price channels, preserving its unique allure and perceived worth. The silent battle against counterfeits and gray markets is another compelling reason for destruction. By annihilating unsold originals, brands effectively prevent intellectual property theft. Pristine items, if they fell into the wrong hands, could become perfect templates for high-quality fakes, severely diluting the brand's unique designs and craftsmanship. Furthermore, this practice undermines the gray market, which diverts authentic goods to unauthorized channels at discounted prices, eroding the brand's carefully curated premium image and pricing structure. Through destruction, luxury houses maintain strict control over their distribution, upholding authenticity. This ensures that genuine luxury, with its guaranteed provenance and quality, remains exclusively available through official full-price channels, reinforcing consumer trust and the brand's esteemed position. Beyond brand mystique, cold economic realities also drive luxury inventory destruction. Companies often gain significant tax advantages, as perfectly good but unsold goods can be declared a business loss, thereby reducing their overall taxable income. Furthermore, the continuous costs of warehousing, insuring, and maintaining high security for vast quantities of high-value inventory can quickly become prohibitive, making destruction a more financially appealing, one-time expense compared to indefinite storage. In international contexts, facing complex tariffs and import duties, destroying unsold stock can even be more cost-effective than attempting to re-export it or pay further levies, cementing destruction as a strategic financial decision. The tide is turning, though, as luxury brands face increasing heat from consumers and regulators alike. Public outrage over blatant waste and growing demands for greater sustainability are forcing a serious reevaluation of these destructive practices. Consequently, many are actively exploring innovative, ethical alternatives. We're seeing a push towards more mindful production, like carefully planned limited runs to prevent overstock, creative upcycling of materials, robust recycling initiatives, and strategic donations of unsold goods to avoid landfills. This signifies a potential new luxury paradigm, one that strives to integrate circular economy models. The challenge now is to strike a delicate balance. maintaining the allure of exclusivity while genuinely embracing environmental and social responsibility. This evolving landscape demands a more conscious approach from an industry historically focused on preserving mystique at any cost. Luxury brands destroy inventory to protect exclusivity and perceived value, a calculated economic truth. Will sustainability pressures force a new paradigm for luxury? Share your thoughts in the comments.